I had to make sure that I got out with my kids and my husband. That was it.
Tracy Kruzmark says she feels lucky to be alive. A tornado ripped through the southeastern part of Wayne, Nebraska around 6 last night and took Kruzmark's house with it.
You never think it's going to be you, and it was us this time, and I'm just thankful that my family's safe.
Here's video of that tornado. It first touched down 6 miles south of Wayne. A spokesperson from the Nebraska Emergency Management Agency said the tornado was at least an EF3. The tornado demolished several buildings and injured 15 people.
This afternoon I've been visiting with some of the families and some of the business owners that, we've kind of just lost everything. And it's a pretty heavy load.
Mayor Ken Chamberlain says the town is facing millions of dollars in damage. Wayne's industrial business district along the east side of town here seems to have been the hardest hit by the tornado. Dozens of companies, including the one you see behind me, have just been leveled. Wayne's airport and about 10 houses, most of which were south of Wayne, were also damaged or completely destroyed. Hundreds of volunteers and emergency personnel have been working since early this morning to clear the damage, a process that Mayor Chamberlain says might take several weeks.
Everybody will come back stronger than they were yesterday morning, so that's just the way we are.
Reporting in Wayne, Camilla Ortiz, Channel 8 Eyewitness News.